Give her a good service and clean. Hi, how you doing? Some of you may remember Sidmouth, the West Country sent to me by my friend Rowland for a full service. The loco generated quite a lot of interest, as her heritage wasn't initially clear. Rowland was so impressed with the work that I did that he has kindly sent me a gift. Let's have a look and see what it is. It is in fact a Model Railways Unlimited customised wagon, done just for me. How impressive is that, guys? Thank you, Rowland, absolutely delightful, and it will take up its rightful place on the railway. As you can see, being hauled now by the J72, the latest loco through the workshops. Cheers everybody, thanks again to Rowland. Cheers.